अल्लाह के लॉज के अलावा मैं खुद किसी के ऊपर लॉज बनाना शुरू कर दूं, ये होता तागूत. It's not just a sin, it is the ability to create sins. That's taghut. The ability to create sins in people who won't even know they're committing sin. That's the power that man has. Allah Azza wa Jalla says about the Bani Israel, says they started using their own pen in my book. This is taghut. You make a system, a legislation, a policy. जब तक word policy आएगा तागूत रहेगा. Processes is not taghut. That's tariqa. Policy, sorry, you cannot make. No human being can ever make a policy unless Allah has already made the policy for you. You can only follow it. You make a new policy, you're playing God. You're actually playing God. So the simplest meaning of taghut is when you play God, you're taghut. Now imagine shirk में तो अल्लाह को फिर मानता है वो बंदा और साथ एडिशन कर रहा होता है. इसमें तो वो कहता है मैं खुद अल्लाह हूं. Imagine किस लेवल का क्राइम है. This is why this is the age of taghut. You will not find a mushrik in this hall. आप शिरक नहीं करता मुसलमान इस तरीके से, और वो करता भी है तो जस्टिफाई करता नहीं, यहां से हाजिर नाजिर में शिरक इधर नहीं होता. So you do not find shirk as the number one, attraction in Islam as from shaitan. You find taghut everywhere. So there's no mushrik in this hall and every taghuti in this very hall. That's how bad and big the